any Spanish interpreters.
No Spanish interpreter.
But we still need an Arabic interpreter. Okay, case number is U7147535. Okay. All right. Okay. You mean with the Arabic interpreter? Okay, we understand about that. All right, okay. She gonna do what she can, Spanish interpreter, but she don't know if she gonna be able to get us.
All right.
Yes.
Let's get going. Good morning, everybody. Let me start out by saying I'm going to try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. And I'm going to start with Mr. Guillermo Lopez. Are you there? Are you ready?
Hello.
Mr. Guillermo Lopez, necesitas interpreter?
Yes.
All right, un momento.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Sade Lane, case number SP 1308461. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Judge. And can I get a docket, please? Thanks.
City of Detroit versus Sade Renee Lane, case number SP 1308461, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1403385 SP 1432823, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 153482221. SPs 1723233, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1723292, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1723336, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1725981. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, by Alpha, Miss Sade Lane, P number 69167. Ms. Lane, can you state your full name?
Ms. Lane, are you there? She's not. She was. Purposes of today's hearing is set for a pretrial. I will give Ms. Lane, you have a phone number, correct?
I do. I was just
I will
speaking
give-
to her.
I will give her a, you need to speak to her?
No, we already talked about what she was just asking for an adjournment for compliance purposes, if not considered for a bench trial date. She was asking for about 30 days for compliance.
It's not gonna be that long. We'll give a pretrial for 8/4/2025, and then she can set a trial date. We'll set a trial date on that if she's not together. So August 4th, 2025 is gonna be the pretrial date. So that'll conclude that matter. Let your client know that, please.
All right, thank you.
This is the City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Robert Earl Rear third, case number SP 1736. Strike that. SP 17306911. Appearance for the record, please.
John McDermott on behalf of Mr. Greer. Judge, I had an opportunity to speak with Officer Reed. He's agreed to reduce us to impeding. We accept that offer. I do have full authority on my client's behalf. Request 2 weeks to pay.
Officer Reed, good morning to you.
Good morning.
State your badge number and department for the record, please.
Badge 2535, Department, the Police Department, Detroit Police Department, I'm sorry. Third Precinct.
All right. Day is date and time set for a formal hearing. You have the full authority to enter into an agreement. I'll waive your client's presence. I'll stipulate, you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that response.
Yes, Judge.
You stipulate, all right, with that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175, have your client pay it by, let me see that, August the 4th, August the 4th. All right.
Will do, Judge. Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You as well. Best of luck to you. And Officer Reed, you be safe. Have a great
Thank you, sir.
Craig Lundy.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Craig Lundy, case number SP 155-52501. SP 1728076-1, SP 1728079, counts 1 and counts 2, 204024-721, 257617-571. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lundy. Craig Keith Lundy.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lundy, you owe 288. It was started at 240, now it's up to 288 on allowing that you entered into. What I'm going to do that's not been paid, what I will do this one time is I'll waive the late fee and bring you back down to the 240. Speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room, get him an updated offer, Mr. Berry. Keep in mind, Mr. Lundy, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room and then we'll pass the matter. Lamar Gould, Washington.
Here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good
This
morning,
is
sir.
the city of Detroit versus Lamar Gould, Washington, case number SB 172-4629, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 172-4635, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Lamar Gould, Washington.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. You need to put on some extra clothes, Mr. Gould, Washington, a shirt or something. Today is the date and time set for a retrial. Mr. Gould, Washington, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Well, this is a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right.
Mr. Warbling, who's your client? Ms. Snyder, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Adjuria?
Ajiria.
Ajiria, good morning to you, ma'am. Sorry about
Good
that.
morning.
What
No,
is
it's
your
fine.
full name? What is your full name?
Ajiria Lauderdale.
Lauderdale.
Ajiria Lauderdale.
I see. All right, good morning. And the coordinator.
She called. And I said it was short. I told her to come in person. She didn't listen, but she just was kind of downhearted that she missed you. Other than that was pretty much it.
She couldn't sound like that.
She said that sounded like weary in her voice, like a little bit. I didn't see her like personally. I think she was like downstairs.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hall.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good to see you. Thank you for zooming in so quickly. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Samira Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that you will interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. We'll get started with that in 1 second. Mr. Berry, are we ready on your client?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lundy. Mr. Lundy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that my client can return with documents.
What you want to do, Mr. Lundy?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set this for a trial date for August 12th, 2025, and a review date for that date as well at 9 a.m., okay? August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Lundy, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is Mr. Berry needs an Arabic interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Mohammed Gula, case number U7-1475325-2575-14341. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Samira Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court. State certified, qualified.
Can you, do you want me to repeat that, Mr. Rahal?
Okay. I'm sorry, I'm continue. الولاية ميشيغان مقابل سيد محسن محمد جولاي. رقم التهمة المخالفة U71475322541. الثاني مخالفة. سامعني؟ I'm asking him if he hears me. سامعني؟ فك السماعة. الإشارة اللي عليها سماعة فكها. Is he muted? I don't know.
He was. He turned his camera on now. Unmute yourself, please. I'm sending you the.
هلا هلا.
فك السماعة. اوكي تمام مشي الحال. اوكي لحظة. اعطيه اسمك للقاضي.
محسن جيلان. محسن جيلان.
محسن جيلان.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
سيد المحامي اللي عم بيمثلك.
thank. شكرا.
Thank you.
All right, date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
سيد جولاي بيقول لك القاضي سيد بيري بده يقدم لك شيء ما عاجبك ما مجبور تاخذ التخفيض. على كل حال رح يجي الإشارة على الشاشة، اكبس على جوين وبندخل على الغرفة مع المحامي. تمام؟ إشارة جوين. Did he go?
I'll see.
Okay. كبست على جوين. وين بيقول جوين؟ الإشارة على الشاشة.
Breakout room 2.
رقم 2 غرفة. جاوبني، سمعت الإشارة؟ شفت؟ Not sure if he left.
He's still in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch him to 4. I'm gonna switch him to 6, and if he joins, I'll go back to 4. All right, now 2. All right, he should be in there now.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Loshi, are we ready on Loshi?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jonathan Loshi, case number SB 1700754, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1700755, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marissa Voiles, P86438, on behalf of Mr. Loshi, who's present on the Zoom. Will you state your name, sir?
Yes, my name is Jonathan Loesch.
Loesch. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do with these cases, Counselor?
Your Honor, we'd like to set for a bench trial today.
The bench trial will be August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day and best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Are you driving, Mr. Lozada?
Sí, acá estoy.
Are you gonna pull over? Call back when you get pulled over, all right?
All right. Traductor, por favor. No, no speak English, literally.
All right, no driving on Zoom in court.
Yeah.
Can I get and Glover, please?
There's a beam survey with a NAR and per admin, show me 60, 50 liquids pick up supplies.
Hey, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Officer Easton. I got you checked in.
Yes, sir. I also have a Zoom. I have a courtroom in court in Judge King's room as well. I need to check in there as well.
All right, very well. Come on back when you get done.
Do you know who the prosecutor here is for
in
this courtroom?
Yeah, I'll put her in a room with you.
Okay. I'm here on Green.
Yes, Green hasn't showed, so not yet.
Okay.
When she's done out of the four, I'll tell her to go to one. One officer asked for Officer Hendricks. Corporal Ambrose. One to go. Ms. Harris, you lost Gould, Washington?
Yes. But if we could confirm the status of his license and hopefully he'll return soon.
Can we run this license? This is the City of Detroit versus Jamal Gill, case number SP 172-33111, SP 172-33531. Appearance for the record, please.
Jamal Gill.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gill.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gill. Day is date and time set for pre-trial. Speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, please. Washington license as well. Warrant Officer Reeves. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You can join it, you don't have to. But Mr. Guyton is here.
Say he only a minute per day.
Do we have it? For Griffin? Yeah. There's a request in before. Officer Thomas, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
Just a quick update on how Guyton is progressing on bond.
So actually, Your Honor, earlier this week, I had sent in a show cause to your courtroom because the defendant had been positive for alcohol at his drug screen he did at the court's drug lab on July 14th.
Okay, well, that's not good. I don't have the show cause unless it's in the file.
I can even forward the email copy I have in Outlook if you would like, Your Honor.
All right, you can do that, please. Attorney Perkins, good morning to you. I do have.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Glover here. I'm gonna put Glover in breakout room 5. Ms. Glover, your attorney's here. I'm gonna put breakout room 5. I don't know if the officer is here or not or yet, but the officer has another 19 minutes to appear.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Warling, we're having trouble with getting a Spanish interpreter. So,
Judge, we may have resolved that. I did speak with Corporation Counsel, and I have authority to do this. There was the second ticket, which just had the civils on them. I don't know if the court was comfortable that they would be dismissing the misdemeanors and I could waive his appearance and just take responsibility for the 2 civil infractions. That's up to the court if you're comfortable with
Well,
that.
as long as you can communicate it to him and he's okay.
Yeah,
with
I
it.
did through our representative. It looks as though I have the green light to do that.
All right. And that's Gonzalez Martinez.
Yeah, I think the second ticket was the P1730623.
So I have 6231 and 6232.
We were going to plead as responsible as charged, and then the
So which
misdemeanor
one?
ticket. The agreement was to dismiss that.
I have 3 misdemeanor tickets. I have a improper plate, unregistered, untitled, and drug license suspended.
They would dismiss those in exchange for the plea of responsibility.
Of just the one?
He would plead to the no valid registration and the no proof of insurance, and they would dismiss those 3 misdemeanors, Judge.
Pleading as charged to both civil infractions, right?
Correct.
City of Detroit versus Jose Alberto Gonzalez Martinez, case number SP1730615, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1730623, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge, may it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez Martinez. He is here, Judge. He's given me authority to plead to the civil infractions with the agreement that those misdemeanors would be dismissed.
Okay, so let's let the record reflect that Mr. Gonzalez Martinez is here. Buenos dias. Can you state your name for the record? Can he understand any English?
I think just a little bit.
Mr. Gonzalez Martinez?
Yeah.
Senior Gonzalez Martinez, can you state your name?
Excuse me?
Can you state your name? ¿Cómo se llama usted?
José Alberto González Martínez.
All right. I'll let the record reflect that he is here, and you said you do have the authority to enter into an agreement on his behalf. You said
I do, Judge.
You said the offer was pleading to the 2 civil infraction and dismissing the misdemeanors.
Correct.
You stipulate the probable cause to the, as an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please.
We do, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We do, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find him responsible for as charged the no valid registration and the insurance no proof. $80 for the no valid registration, $195 for the insurance no proof. I'll give him 2 weeks to pay. It'll be August the 25th. I'll pay the div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that accordingly. Come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person.
Thank you.
For me to spend all that time and all those months and have this thing on.
Say that again.
I was just
Have
trying
a great
to figure
weekend. Thank you, Your Honor.
where the background.
Gonzalez Martinez. We good?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Gala. Mr. Gala, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, it appears we have lost him.
No, he hasn't come out.
Oh.
Did you set it up? Do you know? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gala.
Yes, here he is.
Mr. Gala, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Go right ahead, Mr. Director.
عم يسأل انه حكيت مع موكلك وشو بريد يعمل موكلك ناطر السيد لحتى يجاوب المحامي. انتظر.
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
حضرة القاضي نحن بدنا يوم تاني نرجع فيه أمام القاضي بقضية.
Is he gonna need an attorney?
He is not, Your Honor. He is not. The prosecutor is aware of his situation and he has documents that will clear this matter up for him when he returns.
علمت مدعي العام إنه عنده أوراق لحتى تساعده بس بالتاريخ الثاني رح يكون معه حضرة القاضي.
اوكي.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
هيك بتريد موافق أنت سيد؟ عم يسألك.
أنا؟
إيه موافق مثل ما محامي؟
أيوه.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date of August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
نهار سعيد شهر 8 يوم 12 الساعة 9 الصبح على نفس الطريقة اللي دخلت فيها اليوم.
نفس الميتن ID number نفس الأرقام.
So I come on the same Zoom number that I came on today.
Yes.
نعم. نهار سعيد بقول لك.
إن شاء الله. شكرا يا.
Thank you very much to all.
All right, have a good day, Mr. All. You have a very good day as well as have a good weekend.
Thank you and a good weekend to all.
الحين نروح وأرجع على هذا التاريخ صح؟
Yes. So now I leave and I come back on this date. شهر 8 يوم 12 9 الصبح. تمام؟
اوكي.
Okay. Thank you. اترك الشاشة.
اطلع الحين
صح؟ Yes. اطلع.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Mr. Guyton, are you there?
Yes.
Do you have take your scarf off your head if it's not for religious purposes? Do you have an attorney already representing you?
I believe so, yes.
Who was that?
I forget his name. You appointed him to me.
We'll wait on him to come. This is the city of Detroit versus Linnell Lloyd, case number SP 169994911, SP 17002711. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lloyd.
Linnell Lloyd, are you there? You have to unmute yourself, sir. He's supposed to be in 336 this morning. Linnell Lloyd, can you state your name for the record, please?
Linnell Lloyd.
All right, you can see if you can get him an updated offer, Mr. Berry, and will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. See if you can get him an updated offer, but he's supposed to, his file's in 336, but it's just a no insurance proof with an improper display of plate. And no insurance proof with an improper, no insurance misdemeanor with an improper display of plate. Mr. Lloyd, join the breakout room, speaker, Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind if you don't like the offer yet. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gill. Mr. Gill, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss for compliance.
All right, Mr. Gill, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Dion Griffin, I'm waiting on your lawyer to come we're gonna get one on, has a lawyer ever contacted you?
No.
All right, we're waiting on the lawyer to come in.
Just send a text and another email.
All right, so as soon as they come in, we'll get you out of here.
So I'm gonna go down to 336. And that was for Lloyd, right?
Yeah.
What was the person?
Jonathan Gonzalez, are you there?
Yes.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Yes, please. No speak English.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Ms. Lauderdale,
Yes.
give me the correct pronunciation of your first name again, please.
Algeria.
Algeria. This is the city of Detroit. Algeria, Lauderdale. Case numbers SP 1727641, SP 1727661, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1727881, SP 1747881, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1747891. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lauderdale, please state your name for the record.
Algeria Lauderdale.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lauderdale, she has some other matters that she recently got. And there are 4 matters on the docket. I counted 9 matters into the record. The one matter that went along with this case is a disregard a red signal. It's I don't know if it's a default or not, but I would allow her to be heard on that ticket if the city has no objection. And then the other 4 matters are unregistered, untitled, improper plate, no insurance misdemeanor, and license improper. Miss Lauderdale, Miss Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Massaria, good morning to you.
Morning, Judge.
Who's your client?
I'm here on Mariah Lindsay.
Yep. Mariah Lindsay is here. Let's see if all the officers have showed up for Mariah Lindsay. I give the officers a few more minutes. I don't have White. A. Williams is here. I don't have Burdick. So White, Jalen White, and Burdick, I don't have. Let's give them a few more minutes. They have until 9:30, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
I can put you in a breakout room with Miss Lindsay. Miss Lindsay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. Good morning to you, and your attorney will come in there and see you, okay? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks dismissal for compliance. He has shown valid insurance and has shown his license appropriately on his vehicle.
Right. I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Lloyd, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, I appreciate that and thank you. Y'all have a blessed day too.
You will, you're welcome. All right, Miss Rosalind Green, are you there?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. I need you to turn your camera on, please.
Okay, 1 second.
City of Detroit versus Rosalind Green, case numbers SP 167-9430, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 167-9527, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 168-0414, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 173334441. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Rosalind Green.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Green. Mr. Officer Eason, are you there? All right, Mr. Berry, Ms. Green has another matter. It's an open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver that she's gotten since the time she's been here the last time. I don't know if she wants to keep this separate from these two cases and or get an offer on everything. Ms. Green, I'm going to let you speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Today is the date and time set for the trial, and Officer Eason is here.
This Officer Eason is present.
Yes.
And Your Honor, the ticket beginning with 17, I believe it was, is not on the docket.
It's 173334441 as an open alcohol to motor vehicle passenger.
Okay. We're going to the breakout room.
On the telephone at 313-293-4581. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Telephone 313-293-4581. Hello? Okay, what are you doing there already?
Hello?
You need an interpreter, don't you, Mr. Lopez?
Yeah.
All right, we're waiting on an interpreter. Good morning, Mr. Gilkey.
Yes.
All right, probation officer Cargill, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. You're here on Glover.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me an update on how Miss Glover is doing on bond?
Since our last court hearing, she tested on July 3rd and July 8th. She was negative for everything outside of marijuana. She does have a medical marijuana card. She just reported this morning, I believe, to test today, and we are awaiting for those results.
What are we gonna do with Miss Glover? Good morning to you, Mr. Perkins.
Good morning, Your Honor. Today's the date and time set for trial in this matter, and I don't see either of the three officers having checked in yet.
All right, City of Detroit. All right, thank you, Mr. Cargill. Appreciate you very much. Have a very good weekend. There's nothing further. I don't have anything.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Lakeisha Renee Glover, case number Z8095161. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Ms. Glover. Ms. Glover, state your full name for the record, please.
You have to unmute yourself, Ms. Glover. I think she might have frozen up.
I think we just lost her. I'll call her and have her log back in, Your Honor.
I think she might call back. She might log back in. I'm sure she's going to.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I'm back.
That's all right. State your name, Ms. Glover, for the record, please.
Lakeisha Renee Glover.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I do not see any of the officers that were listed as witnesses that have come in. They haven't come in. So go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, this matter was set for trial at 9 a.m. We are prepared to proceed. The officers having failed to check in, and it's now 9:36 a.m. I would motion for a dismissal at this time.
All right. Case dismissed. Ms. Glover, you
Thank you.
dodged the bullet.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. I wish you the very good rest of your day. All right.
You as well. Thank you.
All right, anything else? Mr. Perkins?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Have a great weekend to you and your staff.
Yeah.
I will call you, Ms. Glover, okay?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Percano.
Yep.
Thank you.
Can I ask if the officers have showed up on Freddie Lee?
I don't see Officer Hoskins.
So we're
Is that
ready on that
Freddie Lee
one.
on the phone?
Yeah, Lee is on the phone.
City of Detroit versus Freddie Lamar Lee, case number SP17. Well, he's got those new matters, Mr. Berry. So, I mean, Mr. Case number V144-31225, V144-31325, V144-31425, V144-31525. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Overtrain by for Mr. Freddie Lee, P number 69167. Mr. Lee, can you state your full name?
My name is Freddie Lamar Lee, Sr.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, so on the case that's scheduled for trial today, respectfully requested dismissal. And on the other one, the new case, we're requesting a pretrial date. If the court is not inclined to give a pretrial date on that one, we would just request another bench trial date for the new case.
For purposes of arraignment on those cases, Counselor,
Wait from a reading stand mute.
there are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'll give him a pretrial. The pretrial date will be August the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lee, August the 4th at 8:30, I'm sorry, at 8:30 is going to be your next court date, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And on the other charges, with those the set for bench trial date, or those
I'll
being
grant the
dismissed?
motion to dismiss Officer Hoskins. I'll grant the motion to dismiss no officer. I don't see that officer on my list as having been appeared, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor. All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You do the same, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ronald Gilkey, case number SP17213191. Appearance for the record, please. Somebody put their appearance for the record for Ronald Gilkey, please. What's going on? Am I not being heard?
I can hear you, Judge.
Do we not have a
Can
lawyer?
you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Okay, I'm jumping the gun a little bit. The lawyers are in the break. Let's give me a minute, Mr. Gill. Are we ready on Lindsay, Mr. Masserera?
Yes, we are.
Sorry.
No worries, Judge.
I need to get it right. All right. She's got in a payment plan on a whole lot of tickets here. All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus Mariah Lindsay, case number SP13156339, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP15930941. SP16831061, SP16837111, counts 1, 2, and 3. V11985819. D11985919. Appearance for the record, please.
Recommend Series P87848 on behalf of Miss Lindsay. Miss Lindsay, please state your full name for the record.
Mariah Lindsay.
Good morning to you, Miss Lindsay. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Hendricks, are you there? Officer Hendricks is there. Officer Williams, are you there? Oh, they must be in the breakout room.
Yes, Officer Williams, sorry.
Officer Williams, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, and department, please?
Officer Williams, police officer for the city of Detroit, badge 3410.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Officer Hendricks, can you state your name, badge, number for the record, please?
Police Officer Hendricks, badge 4342, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Have you come to a resolution?
Yes, Judge. We'll be accepting the people's offer, which is to 1 count of fail to display and 1 count of improper plates.
No Officer White. Ms. Lindsay, you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Masario went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 23rd, 2025, around 4:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Mack and Connor. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
No.
Well, the officer did pull you over, didn't she?
That officer didn't pull me over. A different officer pulled me over.
Different officer pulled you over?
Yes, it was roughly 3. It was like 3 or 4 of them. I remember it was a female, it was an African American male, and then the one who was driving who put me over, he was a different race. I'm not sure if it's race.
But was that officer in, did you recognize that officer as being one of the officers on the scene?
I haven't seen that officer yet.
This Officer Hendricks. Can you turn your camera on, please? And come into view of the camera, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
It was that, do you recognize that officer as being one of the officers on the scene?
I believe she was the passenger driver. The
Okay,
passenger.
that's,
Yeah.
I was the passenger.
all right, very well. All right, that she can attest to you having the not having a valid license, or that she saw you witness you driving. Then unless counsel has any other objection to that.
I didn't talk to that officer. I only talked to one officer.
Well, I understand. I understand that. I understand that. But counsel, do you have any objection to the officer proceeding, or do you have anything to that you want to know for the record at all about that officer not being the officer that Miss Lindsay spoke to?
No objections, Judge.
Miss Lindsay, what's really necessary is, in this case, is if the officer saw you driving the vehicle, and the real pertinent part is to the officer that you actually not having a valid driver's license. So whether they ask you or not, I mean, I'm sure they should have asked you, but whether they ask you or not to present a valid driver's license, the fact that you were driving without a valid license is the most pertinent part. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
And that officer can attest to her, she would be able to come into court and say that she saw you driving that motor vehicle. Do you understand that?
Yes.
She does not have to be the one he actually spoke to for her to give testimony about what she witnessed with her own eyes. If she did not witness it with her own eyes, then there would be an issue in the court's eyes. But in this case, there's no issue. Do you understand that, Miss Lindsay?
Yes.
All right, was this your motor vehicle you were driving?
Yes.
All right, did you have insurance on that day, ma'am?
No.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance. And I'm gonna find your client guilty of the failure to display for not having a valid driver's license. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
B1198589 and B1198591 will be dismissed for no officer. And SP1315639 counts 1, 2, and 3 will be dismissed with no officer. And the other matters will be dismissed for the plea. Ms. Lindsay, I'm only gonna fine you one time on this. It would normally be a $240 fine for each misdemeanor, but I see you're in a payment plan trying to take care of the other matters. So I'll only fine you one $240 fine, okay? We won't find you on the insurance matter. When can you pay $240? And then if you want to put that as your payment plan, that's fine with me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you until August the 12th, and I'm going to mark the file allow payment plan. So either pay it by August the 12th or come back in here and add that to your payment plan. Understood now?
Okay.
All right, do you have any further questions? I'm going to waive the warrant fees. Do you have any further questions?
No, that'll be all.
All right, Ms. Lindsay, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Officer Hendricks, be safe, and Officer Williams, be safe. Everybody have a very good day, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
Have a good day, Judge.
Thank you.
And I did let Mr. Whitey know that Guyton is here and told him to zoom in as soon as he can.
Dyson is here, and that's Whitey's client.
That'll be Mr. Whitey's client. Yep.
And let Guyton and let Whitey know that there's an allegation that Guyton did not follow the orders of the court. They said that he tested positive for alcohol.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Very well.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right. You as well. Have a good weekend.
You as well.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lauderdale. Ms. Lauderdale, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I sent a message in the chat, but we are respectfully requesting that we could have someone from Street Outreach come and speak with Ms. Lauderdale.
Very good. All right, Ms. Lauderdale, I'm gonna get somebody in here. Just give me a few minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's call City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Ronald Gilkey, case number SP 172-13191. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gilkey, please state your name. Can you state your name,
Yes.
Mr. Gilkey?
Ronald Gilkey.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You're not guilty plea.
Ronald
Give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put Mr. Gilkey in the breakout room. Mr. Gilkey, Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? You're not guilty plea on his behalf, give a $0 bond. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Rosalind Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to the open alcohol as a passenger, as well as the driving while passenger not with a seatbelt. It's a seatbelt passenger charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
All I see is just seatbelt.
Well, that'll work, Your Honor. That's the other charge.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 26th, 2025 at around 2:14 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Shane and East Jefferson. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
No, Your Honor.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was there alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
What kind of alcohol was in there, ma'am?
I honestly, that was a while ago. I don't really remember. I think it was like tequila they were drinking or something like that.
And you knew that it was alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, I actually found out that day that you can get a ticket for that. I was unaware of it.
Okay. Is the alcohol open?
I believe so. I believe so.
You don't know too much. Are you trying to say that you didn't have alcohol?
No, I wasn't drinking. I wasn't drinking that day. I was just in the car with other people that had been drinking, but I didn't know that you can get a ticket for that. I was going to see my friend at her job at the hotel.
And you weren't drinking?
No, I was not drinking that night.
Not that that really matters. The law states that you can't be in a motor vehicle with open alcohol in that motor vehicle. I understand the fact that you felt that you didn't really know the law and that you didn't know you couldn't be in that vehicle with that. It is kind of hard to believe that you weren't drinking in that motor vehicle though with them at 2:14 a.m. But you say you're not. I don't have any proof that you were. It's just my gut kind of tells me that you might have had something to drink that night. But that's not where we're here for. Do you want to speak with Mr. Berry again? I don't know if you want to, if she wants to, you know, you just don't seem like you kind of don't seem like you're certain that there was alcohol in that vehicle.
No, I know like they were drinking. So I know that they had, I don't know if it was open because that's where we were coming from. We were going to the store. We were going back to my friend works at the hotel. So we were going to the store to get her liquor. So I don't know if they had open alcohol at that time. So we did go to the liquor store to get her liquor and come back to the hotel room. But I don't know if they had opened it or not by then. I didn't pay attention. I just knew once I seen the lights, I was like, oh my God, here we go again. But I didn't think I was going to get a ticket, honestly. I didn't think I would have gotten a ticket. I didn't know until that day that you can get a ticket for other people drinking in the car.
Officer Eason, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Sergeant Easton, badge S668, Detroit Police Department.
All right. What do you want to do, man? What do you want to do? You want to take this plea and admit to them drinking in there and you knew the alcohol was open, or you don't? Ms. Harris put her, she wanted to seem like she wanted to chime in and say something.
I did?
Yeah, it did. You came on the camera for a minute, for a second there.
Oh, I came out of the breakout room with the client that I was in, and my video was on. I stopped it.
Okay, very good. All right. You want to go back and speak with Mr. Barrett? I can get you. This case is really not a part of what we're doing today. This was just an offer to get a global resolution. This case is something that happened after. This is Officer Eason did not write you for these tickets.
Yeah, I'm like, I have the ticket.
Do you
right
want to
here.
go back and speak to Mr. Berry about it? Or do you want to, or we can appoint you an attorney? I guess I'm inclined to go ahead and take the deal if you really want to get it over with. You did admit that there was alcohol in the vehicle. You're saying now that it wasn't open, but were they drinking in the car?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if they had opened the alcohol after we had left from the liquor store. I did not pay attention to that. So I don't know. I don't know if they opened it then or what it was, but I know we had alcohol in the vehicle for sure. Because we went to the liquor store.
Go back and renegotiate, Mr. Barrett.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Rejoin the breakout room, Ms. Green, okay?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilkey. Mr. Gilkey, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gilkey?
Yes.
Come back on August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Griffin, I'm still waiting on that appointed attorney to come in for you. Miss Lauderdale, I will say this, ma'am. To you, we're waiting on Mr. Patel. He usually comes in very quick. So I'll just give you this from me. I do recognize that this may be one of the most challenging times in your life. I will be praying for you to get through this. I do sincerely believe that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And I sincerely believe that if you persevere, that light will get brighter for you as time goes on. I hope that happens sooner rather than later. Do you have kids, ma'am?
Yes, I have 3.
You have 3 kids, so I'll be praying for you. I want you to let Mr. Patel know that as soon as he comes into the room. I do leave you with the quote of Dr. Martin Luther King saying that the true test of a person is not where they sit in times of comfort and convenience. The true test of a person is how they react and where they sit in times of challenges and controversy. So this is your test, ma'am. Why God had to put you through this test, I don't know. I can't answer that. I'm sure he has a reason for everything. But again, I do believe that if you persevere, you will get through this sooner rather than later. And we're going to try to offer you all the resources that we can to help you through it, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you want to wait in the waiting room, you can. But if you want to sit in the main session, you can as well. That breakout room 5 will be open for you. And when they come from street outreach, we'll get you in there as soon as possible, okay? Mr. Gilkey, you're all set. You're free to leave. You know your date is on August the 12th at 9 a.m. And then Mr. Lozado, Lopez, Gonzalez, we're waiting on an interpreter.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Pruitt.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Good morning.
Mr. Griffin,
Hello?
go ahead.
Yeah, how long do you think this is gonna take? Cause I'm at work.
I know, I'm trying to get him in here. Can you call again? Does that work?
That's the younger.
Yes.
Okay,
As soon as they come in, we'll get you with that lawyer. I could just set this for a trial and let you go. Is this 279-321-1498 still a good number for you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I had to think about what you were saying. Yeah, I'm sure.
Is there a better number?
Oh no, that's good.
279-321-1498. I could set it for a trial, and just when the attorney zooms in, we can have them call you today, all right?
All right.
And if he needs something else, you want to do it? Oh, here. Oh, no, he's not. If you want to do it that way?
Yeah, we can do it that way.
City of Detroit versus Dion Brian Griffin. I just had deja vu. Case number SP170280 counts 1 and counts 2. SP170285 counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Griffin.
Dion Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this for a trial date on August the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Griffin, just answer the calls you don't recognize. That call should be that appointed attorney, and it's your email is diongriffin501@icloud.com.
Yeah.
All right, just answer the call, and if you don't hear from that on Monday, zoom back in right quick on Monday to make sure that that you got that attorney, okay?
Okay.
Or I'll have the attorney call us and let us know that he's contacted you, okay?
All right. I appreciate it. I'll answer.
All right, be safe.
All
Have
right.
a great rest of your day.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. For Officer Graves, for Officer Sharp, I'm going to excuse the officers that people have not appeared. Corporal Spidell, you can be excused. O'Donnelly did not appear. Then Leggett did not appear. Lampkin, she did not appear, but that's not the trial. Mr. Whitey, are you there? He's in the breakout room. All right, are we ready on Green?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, how is there anything different here?
Yes, Your Honor. My client stands ready to enter a plea to the seatbelt charge and the charge referred to as driver, that matter ending in 4143. Driving passenger not on a seatbelt. I think that's what it's called.
So 2 seatbelt charges.
Remaining matters to be dismissed, and we set the open alcohol charge for trial.
Does she need an attorney on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I need a good phone number from you, Ms. Green.
313-603-2333.
I'm gonna set it for a pre-trial that the matter SP 173333441. I'll set it for a pre-trial. You want to plead to the 2 seatbelt counts, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended counts of, as charged to the seatbelt, you're as a driver not wearing a seatbelt, and having a passenger not having their seatbelt. All right, other matters dismissed. 65 and 65, pay that by August the 4th, 2025. Answer the calls also that you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, ma'am. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by August the 4th, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Pay the matter at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Opposed, you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Ms. Green. If there's nothing further, I have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. For the court date for the I gotta wait for a call for that as well for the open in the car and the vehicle.
Yes, wait, the attorney should call you. If they don't call you by August the 4th date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, okay, sounds good.
All right, best
Thank
of
you so
luck to you.
much. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody.
Good about it. All right, Officer Eason, be safe out there. Have a very good weekend. Be safe.
Thank you, sir. You as well.
Come on, go take a few minutes break. Call me when the guidance
You say guidance?
and when the interpreter is there. Mr. Whitey, are you there?
I am, Judge. How are you today?
Well, where's Guyton? He must have fell off.
Yeah, that I have an offer, and apparently he's not answering his phone now or responding to text. This has been over the last 10 minutes, so I'm not sure what's going on.
And we
The
still
officers did appear for him.
Yeah, officers are here, so.
Say that again.
All of the officers are here, Your Honor.
They are.
Yep.
We still waiting on the Spanish interpreter. Oh. It's 3 of them.
Oh, it's 3. June, for the sign.
Come back Wednesday. Do you know how to put it up? I can't.
I mean,
If we're not gonna get one, then they're gonna have to. What about, okay, when the person comes in for Lauderdale, yeah, Mr. Patel, he said 5 minutes. Put him in there immediately. Make him aware that Ms. Lauderdale has 3 kids. I know she's gonna.
Mr. Patel is coming in from his life.
Yes, she's in breakout 5. All right, I'm gonna stand in recess. Call me when something comes up, please.
She's in 5. I'm just waiting for Jay's to tell. Okay, let me double check with interpreters. If not, I'll put the sign on when you come
Then
back.
when that officer comes, that attorney comes in, make sure you hook them up with Guyton immediately. Griffin.
Time, call Judge. I thought we was giving Griffin a new date to come back.
We did give him a new date, but I want to
You
make sure
still
that
want him to
attorney
talk to
knows,
the-
yeah, because we set a trial date, so I want to make sure that attorney gets in touch with you.
Okay. Let me call Judge Clark. Hey, Judge, I sent you a text and I sent you an email for a spot appointment for Deion Griffin. Yes, I had said to, I had the form in for a request, but I don't think it got to you, because when I checked my emails, I didn't see anything. So, yeah, I don't know what happened. I had sent it back to 7/3, but yeah, that's what I said. Deion Griffin, he's in court. He has a date already for trial. Judge just wanted to talk to an attorney because we had sent out something from 7/3. But I sent something today, though. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got that from Michael Gardner. person we got is Dennis White. He's already here on night. I mean, you will have to, the judge isn't on the bench. You have to call and ask him. Yes, you will have to call and ask him because the judge stepped out of recess. Nothing, just, yes. Well, you know, Dion Gifford did have a previous appointment, but that case is closed. He has another appointment. Yeah, James Watsky. I saw that. Yeah, I saw that. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, maybe the James Watsky. Because I saw that, but when I checked the case numbers, it was different. And then I went and checked, and double checking the case was closed. Yes. Okay, thank you. You too, bye-bye.
Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm in circuit court. I got 2 more hearings, so I will circle back and check in on Mr. Guyton. He's not responding to anything over the last 15
Okay,
minutes. So.
Judge Ruth Carter may be calling you real quick about an appointment.
Okay, I'll have to log back in. I got 2 hearings here, so I will.
Okay, I was
will
just
come
giving
back.
you, I was just telling you because she might be calling you right now because I just got off the phone with her.
Oh, and there she is. Perfect. All right.
Yes, I didn't want you to
I will
miss
take
it.
I'll take it and I'll be back.
Okay, cool.
All right, thanks.
All right. Hey, do we have any success with the Spanish interpreters? Okay, all right. All right, bye-bye. That's okay, you're fine. All right, bye-bye.
Miss Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
I was trying to message you, but it won't allow me to.
Okay, let me put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
Mr. Patel is here to speak with you, but one moment, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
Mr. Gonzalez, Mr. Lopez, and Mr. I have one more Spanish speaking. Darwin, Jose, Lozada.
Yes, acá
Can you,
estoy.
yes, can you unmute your device, please?
Dígame.
Mr. Lopez, Mr. Lozada,
Yeah.
Mr. Gonzalez, Jonathan Gonzalez. Jonathan Gonzalez.
Yes.
Okay, un momento.
Okay.
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 Just one moment.
De la otra vez que
Okay, you see?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome. You're
Thank you.
welcome.
You're welcome, you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Mr. Patel, you ready?
I am your Madam Clerk.
Okay, let me contact the judge for you. And Mr. Guyton never returned, take it. Okay, Judge Perkins is on his way.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Mr. Patel, and good morning again, Ms. Lauderdale. Let's call it, this is the city of Detroit versus Angeria. Did I get it right? I'm gonna mess it up every time. I'm sorry. Ageria Marquise Lauderdale, case number SP 1727640, SP 1727661, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1727882, SP 1747881, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1747961. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Ms. Lauderdale. Ms. Lauderdale, would you please state your name for the record?
Ageria Lauderdale.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for a, well, we show cause willing or not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. I hope that you had a good conversation, Ms. Lauderdale, with Mr. Patel. All right, Mr. Patel, do you know Ms. Lauderdale has 3 kids as well?
Yes, she was able to, we were able to speak about that as well as some other issues going on in the household.
Okay. You know, is there anything that could have some sort of immediate assistance for a young lady like that?
Well, so in the situation, there's only a few things that I have that come to mind.
But
that
you've discussed those, and you'll be able to discuss those with Ms. Lauderdale, correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what's the date? I assume that you are wanting to join the program, Ms. Lauderdale?
Yes.
All right.
September 29th.
Okay. Pre-trial September 29th, Ms. Lauderdale. As I said earlier, I sincerely mean that from the bottom of my heart, ma'am. And you know, I'm sure that, like I say, if time will come where this will be in the past in your review, and you'll be able to help other people and hopefully help other people in certain situations. All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much, and best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. Thank you, Mr. Patel, as well. I don't know who this is. All right, thank you so much. That'll conclude the day, 29th of September.
Will it give me, will a time be sent out as well?
8:30.
8:30. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. iPhone, can you unmute yourself, please?
Good morning.
What's your name?
Anthony Sean Leggett.
Anthony what?
Sean Leggett Jr.
You need to put, when you come to court, Mr. Leggett, you should be on time, but you got to put some more on.
I was having problems getting the Wi-Fi. I was having problems getting
you should be on, you should be having some more on than just a tank top.
Say that again, Judge. I can't hear you.
You should have some more on than just a tank top. You got lucky today. The officer did not show.
My apologies.
All right. Let's go with City of Detroit versus Anthony Sean Leggett Jr. Case numbers SP 171727771, SP 171554991. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Leggett, please state your name.
Anthony Sean Leggett Jr.
All right, date and time set for a trial / formal hearing. Officer REHBEIN. Do not have any officer listed for that individual. So for that, Ms. Harris.
Defense moves to dismiss.
Case dismissed, Mr. Leggett. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day today.
You as well. All right. I think that's gonna conclude the morning. Officers on Guyton, he left.